The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Recapturing Kargil from our enemies. The war continued for 60 days and ended on 26 July 1999. This day is celebrated to honor our Kargil war hero. Our brave soldiers defeated enemies and hoisted our national flag at Kargil. Last year, we had a guest at our school, retired Major D.P. Singh, who is also a Kargil war hero. My father, who was in Indian Navy, said during Operation Vijay sailed out in a warship for patrolling enemy coastal line. When Indian Army fought the war, both Indian Navy and Air Force were ready to strike at any moment. On this fine day, we should remember those brave heroes who fought the war and made it a success. Even today, our national boundary is kept guarded by our soldiers to make us live peacefully. We all owe them for that. Jai Hind!
On this date in 1999, India successfully took command on the high outpost which had been lost to Pakistan. The Kargil war was fought more than 60 days, ended on 26 July and resulted in loss of life on both the sides. The Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil war heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Dras sector and in the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate. Functions are also organized all over the country to commemorate the contributions of armed forces. We all take a moment to remember all the soldiers who sacrificed their life in Kargil war, and we all give them a respect, salute and sorrow. Jai Hind.
Being a soldier is more than courage. It is sacrificing yourself for something which is greater than yourself. Radiant day to all. Hi, this is Anantalakshmi and I'm Samrit. Samrit, hope you are aware about today's prominence.
Yes, every Indians are aware about today's prominence because it is actually a golden feather on the cap of India. On this occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, each Indian is actually commemorating the valor and an inspiring saga of dedication within its own nation. On this occasion, we would like to pay a heartfelt tribute to all the brave hearts who had foiled the conspiracy of bringing back the tricolor flag from the Kargil peaks. As Adityan mentioned in the earlier video, Kargil Vijay Divas, which is named after the successful Operation Vijay, is celebrated on 26th July in India every year. This is actually celebrated because India took the command. India successfully took the command over the outpost which Pakistan had lost. This war continued for more than 60 days and finally came to an end on 26 July 1999, resulting loss of life on both sides. The reason behind this Kargil war is the entrance of Pakistani soldiers as Kashmiri soldiers in the border, that is LOC, which serve as the de facto border between the two states. So when I say all these things, the fact that is coming to my mind is the Indian history has witnessed the fact that India has never been an invader.
It is a proud thing.
Yeah.
Thus, on 26 July, we commemorate and memorialize an episode which was idolized by the extreme valor, sacrifice and exemplary courage of our Indian armed force who secured hard-fought triumph in the Kargil war. This day is acknowledged for the gallantry of each Indian soldier on the icy heights of Kargil. It is really a proud thing. On this day, it is dispensable to record our everlasting debt to each Indian soldier who sometimes may not return since they defended India with their grit and valor which are beyond words.
So when you said about these things, the incident that came to my mind is the Kargil veteran or the India's first blade runner, Major D.P. Singh, who had imprinted his footprints on our holy land and inspired us with his beautiful words. He is such a motivated personality who maximized our energy into such an extreme level actually. I still remember those
It was a mesmerizing moment.
Yeah, it was actually a very mesmerizing moment for me. We are actually very proud of him. No death is actually glorious, but the death which is wrapped inside a national flag is really glorious. When the whole nation was celebrating this day as a pride, the families of those soldiers were sad. Because they are not sad, they were silent actually. Why? Because they are actually losing one of their family member, but they are actually proud that they've actually lost these members because they were fighting for their own nation. Yeah, it's actually a very great thing. Tears in their eyes, but they are very proud actually.
As Samreen indicated about the great arrival of Honorable D.P. Singh Sir to our SMAPI land, it was a mesmerizing moment in the history of Gurukulam.
Yeah.
He just robbed our hearts with his impressive tongue and humanitarian heart. He is such a great role model.
Yeah, I still remember.
Yeah.
Like we all were standing on the ground, like literally we were waiting for his arrival. Like just to have at least one word so that we can see that great personality.
He is really a legend and a real hero. So when Samri indicated about this legend, a quote flashed into my mind. Soldier is the army. No army is better without its soldier. In fact, I think soldier is also a citizen. Right? Yeah. But the highest obligation and privilege of each soldier or each citizen is that of bearing arms for his or her country, through which he glorifies his nation as well as he maintains peace and humanity in the entire world or the entire universe.
So we would like to conclude by saying that
our flag flies not because wind moves it.
It flies due to the last breath of the soldiers died protecting it.
Ask not what our India can give for us. Instead, ask what we can give for our India to convert it into a developed nation in all sectors and to achieve triumph in all areas.
Be proud that
We still breathe the air of India. Jai Hind.